We're having a powerful windstorm. Look at that wind gust, 75 miles an hour. And that is here in my area. We got trees down everywhere. I'm wondering if it's going to be a repeat of the Colombus Day Storm years ago, where a lot of damage was done. And with the flood, well, see, these are the sustained winds. That's pretty bad, but we're without power right now. I'll show you the trees really pitching and rolling. It's kind of calmed down for now, but this windstorm is pretty powerful. We're on generator.
Oh, the lights flickering.
Yeah. The power's out everywhere. I can't believe there's a plane flying out there. Are they nuts? Oh, Max is freaked out. Max? Yes, it's crazy, huh? This is what happens when we get warm weather, is the wind goes crazy. Ooh. No power, but we're on generator, but we're keeping it off because it keeps going on and off, on and off. Right now we have electricity. That's powerful. I'm worried about my hummingbirds. They need to get to their nectar. How are they going to get to the nectar in this strong wind? Oh, here's one of them. Hang on, little buddy. Probably got them hanging around the front area too. They like to hang in these bushes. But look at this poor little guy. He's hanging on for dear life. Yes, the birds poop on my window. Comes another strong gust. Oh, I heard a tree crack. Oh, dear God, this is scary. Whoa. Scary.